Find natural numbers x and y such that 3x plus y all over 35 equal to 5 over x plus y. Don't be intimidated. By the end of the video, you can solve this question in less than 10 seconds. So the first step is to do cross multiplication. So you will have 3x plus y multiplying x plus y equal to 35 times 5. Don't bother expanding this expression and don't worry about multiplying 35 by 5. No. The next step is comparisons. 3x plus y is greater or bigger than x plus y, right? 35 is also bigger than 5, right? Good. So the trick here is that equate the bigger expression to the bigger number and equate the smaller expression to the smaller number. So you're going to have two equations. 3x plus y equal to 35, equation 1. X plus y equal to 5, equation 2. Step 3 is to perform elimination. So let's do equation 2 minus equation 1. We will have 3x minus x will give you 2x. Y minus y will give you 0. So it cancels out. Equal to 35 minus 5 will give you 30. 2x is equal to 30, right? Therefore, x is equal to 15 because you have to divide both sides by 2, okay? Now that we know the value for x, we are going to use either of the equation to find the value of y. I'm going to use equation 2. Equation 2, we have x plus y equal to 5. We know that the value for x is 15. So 15 plus y equal to 5. Subtract 15 from both sides, okay? Because 15 is positive, okay? So we're going to get 15 minus 15 plus y equal to 5 minus 15. 15 minus 15 gives you 0. So you have y equal to 5 minus 15 will give you minus 10. But here is the trick. We are looking for natural numbers. When you say natural numbers, we are looking for 1, 2, 3, and upwards. They are positive whole numbers. So if you have an answer which is negative, it's not a natural number. If you have an answer which is 0, it's not a natural number. What about fractions? Fractions are not natural numbers. So this tells me that x being equal to 15 is valid, right? X equal to 15 is a positive whole number, is a natural number. Y is equal to negative 10. It's not a natural number. So it tells me that y is an invalid answer. So in summary, the first step is to do cross multiplication. The second step is to compare the expressions to the numbers. The bigger number gets the bigger expression. The smaller expression gets the smaller number, okay? And the third step is to do elimination. Once you get the value for one variable, use one of the equations for the other variable. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing to KokoChem Education YouTube channel. I've made so many amazing videos in Tree and also in English that can help you prepare adequately for the National Science and Maths quiz as well as for your math exams. Okay, I always say that practice makes permanent. So keep on practicing, believe in yourself, you can do this. Until then, see you next time. Think, learn.